Hello, andito ngayon tayo sa Alder Residences, one of the newest project ng DMCA sa Acacia State, Taguig City. Tara, libutin natin, tingnan natin yung loob. Alder Residences is located in Acacia State, Taguig City, a gated, low-density residential community developed by DMCA Homes. Alder has 4 high-rise residential towers: the Andea, which is 17 levels, Manzuria, 18 level, Oregon, 18 level, and Sylvian, 18 level. Lahat ng building ay ready for occupancy na at pwede nang gamitin anytime. These Alder residences, easy access to major road leading to BGC, Makati, CBD, McKinley Hill, and Naya. Roughly 15 to 20 minutes by car depending sa traffic. Malapit nito sa mga top schools and healthcare facilities like international schools, St. Luke Medical Center, and key lifestyle hub like SM Aura and Market. Alder Residences promotes a resort-inspired community lifestyle with a mix of indoor and outdoor amenities. Alder Residences is designed for real life, not just living. Resort-style swimming pools, fitness gym, landscape garden, children's play area, sports court, function hall. Lap, leisure, and kiddie pools, great for relaxing or family fun. Everything here promotes work-life balance, which today's buyers and renters highly value. One of the standout features of Alder Residences is its resort-style amenities, which really set it apart from many other city condos. Ito naman yung gazebos and cabanas for relaxing. Outdoor amenities like landscape garden and lawns, picnic and activity lawns. Dito naman yung ating barbecue pit and picnic area. Pwede kang dito ko kumain habang nagba-barbecue, habang nagsiswimming kayo. Ando naman yung mga basketball, play court, and children's playground. DMCA Homes has a long track record in Metro Manila and beyond, known for building resort-inspired communities with attention to practical living features. The project finished on schedule despite challenges from the pandemic, a point many buyers appreciate. Security is 24/7 with CCTV and controlled access, standard for gated communities but essential for peace of mind. Spacious units and resort-like amenities often highlighted as major benefits. Quiet, green environment within a gated community. Easy access to major business districts like BGC, Makati, and Ortigas. We have a rent-to-own option available, letting people try the community before committing. Tuwing may holidays like Christmas, New Year's, or Easter Sunday, nagkakandak ang Property Management Office ng events para sa family at para sa mga bata. All communities sa DMCI are pet-friendly community. They also have decorative sa lahat ng property or lahat ng project ng DMCI to support for the community at para sa event. Let's walk around naman sa loob ng building. Tingnan natin ang indoor amenities. Our tour begins at the main lobby and reception lounge. Here you can see a bright and welcoming space where residents and guests arrive and relax. Comfortable seating in open areas set the tone for a premium living experience. Here you can meet neighbors, wait for a ride, or simply unwind before heading up to the other amenities. Dito yung makikita mo ang lawak na area. Sa baba, yung mga water refilling station, yung gym, andun din, and yung property management office. One of the highlights of the lobby is its calm and nature-inspired ambience. You notice the indoor plants or greenery, neutral colors and wood accent, clean, open spaces. These details help create a peaceful transition from busy city living outside the comfort of your home.
Meron to sa ADEA, meron tong reception, snack bar, game area, and restroom din, syempre. Para sa mga bisita natin.
On this side, we have the lobby lounge area. This space is perfect for waiting for visitors, casual meetings, relaxing while waiting for transport, comfortable seating and soft lighting while it feels more like a hotel lobby than a residential building.
At meron din shuttle service dito sa mga gustong pumunta ng market-market. May dumadaan dito shuttle service. Meron din fee, konting fee na lang para sa community. Okay? Nasa basement 1 yung parking area ng bawat building. Like this one, dito tayo sa Aldea. Malalaki yung size ng parking dito. At saka maganda rito, maayos. Hindi ka masyadong mahirapan, hindi ka malilito. And dito hindi mainit. Kasi may mga ano na tayo, yun, know, parang like from SM, may hangin yan, nagbubuga. Para exhaust. Oh, yes, exhaust. Ito yung ating Andea building. Andito yung convenience store, PMO, fitness gym. Doon yun sa Manzuria. Laundry station sa taas, water station sa taas, and parcel. Dito rin yung parcel. Okay? Parcel area. Okay? So ito yung parking. Dito kasi meron tayong ano rito, one unit is equals to one parking. So kung gusto mo magdagdag ng parking, by approval pa 'yan. Ang parking square meters is 12.5 to 13 square meters. Yeah. So ito naman yung property management office. Sa lahat ng mga payments andito na. So dito ka na magbabayad ng mga bills mo, yung monthly amortization, dito rin inaayos kung may problema at sila na bahala. Pwede mong lapitan sila. Bukas sila from Monday to Saturday. From 6 o'clock hanggang alas 5 ng hapon. Okay? Yon, meron tayong tinatawag yung ride share. Ito yung ride share na sabi ko. So ride share, pwede kang pumunta ng BGC, meron ditong mga shuttle diretso sa BGC and pabalik din dito sa community. Under by DMCA Homes. Sir, andito tayo ngayon sa ating water refilling station. So libre dito yung water refilling station. Meron kang 8 gallons per month. 5 to 8 gallons per month.
5 lang sa amin.
Sa amin 8.
Wow.
Di ba? So ganun, depende kung ano, iba-iba kasi yan sa iba-ibang project.
Pero usually 5 lang.
Oo. So dito, libre na yan. Magdala ka lang ng galon mo.
Basta bayad yung...
Basta ba yung association juice mo? So ito naman yung ating laundry station. So dito naman dito ka magpapalaba kung hindi wala kang time maglaba, pwede mo naman dito sa pinakababa ng ating basement 1 ng Elder Residences.
Laundry station.
Ito ngayon yung co-working space natin. I-ratio mo na lang. So ito naman yung ating snack bar. Ito naman yung game area. So yung mga bata, ng mga kids, pwede maglaro dito. So ito ngayon yung ating gym sa Aldo Residences. Papansin mo yung mga gamit nila bago. Okay? So may mga cabinets pa siya. Kung gusto mo may dala kang gamit, pwede mo ilagay dito. Okay? So open to from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. From Monday to Sunday. So andito ngayon tayo sa Banzure Building, pinaka-roof deck. So dito makikita mo yung buong Taguig. Like yun, makikita mo yung Laguna de Bay, oh. Kitang-kita rito. Andun din yung Makiling. So ang ganda ng view. 360 degrees. Pwede tayong pumunta rito kapag gusto mo makita, magpalamig, gusto makita yung mga buildings like sa gabi. Maganda yung view rito.
So, ito yung view ng Laguna Bay.
Yan yung Laguna de Bay, Antipolo, kitang-kita rito.
Okay, so dito naman sa kabila, view ng
Dito yung BGC. BGC.
BGC tsaka Ortigas.
Oh, ito yung BGC and Ortigas.
Tapos ito yung mga house and lot.
Yes, ito yung mga house and lot, mahogany, na under DMCI din. So ito kasi area na to is Acacia Estate, which is exclusively for DMCI project. Okay.
Okay, so next. Dito naman sa kabila ng view nito.
Dito tayo. So dito sa kabila naman, makikita mo rito is Makati view. So ito yung pinaka Makati view. Yan, medyo natakpan siya ng building, pero yun yung Makati view area. So sobrang ganda ng project na to. And maganda rito kasi malapit to sa Bonifacio Global City, McKinley. And kung ikaw malapit sa airport, ito na siguro mas madali rito going to airport.
Airport, ano terminal?
Terminal 3, Terminal 1, Terminal 2. Okay?
Promo payment term ka na.
Promo payment terms is only 20% down payment. 12%. And bago ngayon, good news kasi ngayon, January 2026, meron 12% down payment lang. So, abil ka na, kumuha ka na habang 12% pa ang promo natin. Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you're interested, you can message me or DM me on the number below and wait for my next vlog. Thank you.